Hi friends, I'm Gayathri. Welcome to my channel Anyone Can Crochet. Today we are going to see tulip stitch. For that we are going to use 3.5 mm hook and a grey yarn, red yarn, green yarn. Now we are going to put the chain stitch. We are going to do multiples of 3 plus 1. So I'm going to do my required amount. Total 28 stitches are there. I have done multiples of 3 plus 1. So 27 plus 1, 28. Now before starting we are going to count it and then start the row. Going to start from second chain, 1 single crochet. Till the end of the row we are going to make 1 single crochet all through the end. One single crochet, we are at the last stitch, 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Now we are going to do chain 1, turn. This is the first row. Now we are going to do 1 single crochet in all the stitches, rest of the stitches. In the second row also you are going to do 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet. At the last stitch what we are going to do is we are going to change the color with green to make a leaf pattern, leaf stitch kind of pattern. For that we are holding 2 loops on the needle. Now we are going to make a green, with a green yarn we are going to make a loop and put it on the needle and pull it on the 2 loops. Now tie the grey yarn. Now chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and double crochet in the same stitch. We are going to skip 2 stitch and on the third one we are going to make double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch. Now it looks like a leaf. If you see that, the 2 double crochet will look like a leaf. Now we are going to skip 2 stitches and double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch. See, now it looks like a leaf kind of texture, so that when you put with a different color you will make a flower shape in that one, in the next color. We are at the end. Now we are going to skip 2 in that one and we are going to do in the last stitch we are going to do double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Instead of now it looks like a leaf pattern. Now in that one we have to, I have did it wrongly, we have to do, we have to not make a chain loop close that, we have to go with the next color yarn, red. Now we are making as a loop. Make it as a loop and bring it to the 2 stitches in the needle already, and pull the green yarn. Now make 2 chain. Now make 2 chain, and we are going to make a tulip stitch in that one. Yarn over, pull the yarn and pull through 2, hold it in the needle. Again yarn over, put the needle inside that and pull it over and pull it for the next 2 ones. So you will hold 3 loops on the needle. Again one more time. So you will have 4 loops on the needle. Again one more time. So you will have 5 loops on the needle. So 5 loops on the needle. One more time. Totally in one flower you have to have 6 loops on the needle. So now make a turn and pull all together, which makes us a tulip flower. Then chain 1, chain 2, yarn over, and inside the chain 2 space you have to make the double crochet, and you should not make a full double crochet. It should be in the first 2 stitch, and then again wrap yarn and again do the same thing. Third time you have to do. Fourth time we have to do. Yarn over, pull the loop and first 2 stitches. Now you will have 6 on the loop, and may wrap the yarn over and pull all 6 together. Make 2 chains, then do on the rest of the chain 2 spaces, so it looks like a flower pattern for you. I have taught you like a couple of times so that with the video you can clearly look it in that. Now it is 6 on the loop, so pull all together, then chain 2, now we are the last one. Now we have to do the same pattern. Yarn over, pull in the first 2 stitch. Again same time, like 5 times we have to do. Pull through all together, then chain 1. Before doing the chain 1 you have to connect the yarn with gray color. I forgot to cut it. Make a loop and pull through the white yarn and make a chain and pull the red yarn. Red yarn and chain 1, turn, and now one single crochet on top of the tulip all together chain, and 2 single crochet in that chain 2 space. One single crochet on top of the tulip chain, 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space. 1 single crochet on top of the tulip, 2 single crochet on the chain 2 space, one on the top of the tulip and 2 single crochet on the 2 chain space. Now you have full completed. Now what we have to do is chain and turn over, and you have to make one more single crochet on top of all the single crochet. Now we are at the last stitch. We have to continue the pattern with a green yarn. This is how the pattern will look like. The front side and the back side will be like this. I am going to do what I need for my measurement, and we will meet at the end. We have completed the entire pattern, what is required for my thing. You can use this as a scarf, and you can use it for blanket also. For scarf, this 27 plus 1 stitch is enough. For blanket, you have to use multiples of 3, so that you have to use 10 3s are 30, like 90 plus 1, like that you have to use stitches. So the front and back side will look like the same thing. It's kind of a reversible pattern. It looks very good for gifts and birthday gifts, return gifts, everything. Front and back will look like the same thing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please share, subscribe and like, and click the bell button. Thank you.